I'm Leo Shri Palan from Leo Club of Bombay Uptown. The name of my company is Blushed. Blushed means when you are happy or when you are excited, and the way you smile and the glow your cheeks show is what means blushed. It's been about a year and a half since I've started it. I'm basically a hair and makeup artist, and I work for bridal events and photo shoots like magazine or portfolio shoots, and for party hair and makeup, etc. My inspiration was my mom, and she's been in the field for last 25 years, and the way she has turned being a makeup and a hair artist is what inspired me to get into the field. Also, I just realized that how creative the field is, and I am all about creativity. So it's like a mixture of my hobby, passion and work, and that just makes me happy. So yeah. A major challenge that I've faced is the problem of undervaluation, I would say. It is like being an artist, like when the word comes artist, we are undervalued. People feel like the customers or the clients feel that the work we give is not as much popular or not worth what we charge. So I just expect the society to respect our work, because being an artist is not easy. We need to be creative every now and then, and with every client we cannot be monotonous in our work. So we just expect them to respect our work and not just think of us as a normal person who is doing something for you. Even we are creative in our own way. Don't go ahead and work for things that your parents or your friends do. Just follow your heart and do what you love to do, be it a smallest of the thing, but if you do it with heart and if you love it, it's going to be a great thing and you're going to succeed in it someday or the other.
Hi, my name is Leo Urmi Lodaya. The name of the company is Golden Trinkets. My company is about handcrafted accessories. Each and every accessory which is made is molded and crafted in an individual and creative manner. Basically, my products are tiny, glittery. So the meaning of trinket is small and decorative articles. So it goes very hand in hand, the name, and golden is just to give a touch to the word trinket. It's since we are doing this since 2 years. I have a partner. She's my sister only. We both are from creative field, so we both wanted to do something very creative. So we just came up randomly with the idea that we should start something very unique, which you don't get it easily. So we started searching all the things, and also we came up with this idea, and we eventually gave a shot to it, and it worked. The kind of jewelry we make is completely different. Each and every piece is molded and is very unique in itself. So it doesn't have competition as of now, because you don't easily get this in market. So whatever you get it in market is basically a metal jewelry or something like that. But this is completely unique. So as of now, we don't have so much of competition, so we have just started up, so I hope that it goes really well. Each and every person over here is here to have a competition with each other. So basically, being a girl or a boy doesn't make a difference. But yes, if a girl is having her own thoughts, and if she's ready to get out from her cocoon and be open to the world, there are some standards of our society that is like women do handle their housework, so it can go hand in hand. She can do this thing also, and she can start up her own business also.